everyone, welcome back to the Makisode YouTube channel. Today we are going to be simplifying a pattern, in this case a motif. All right, a square motif. So yeah, this square motif right there, as you can see, it starts out circular and then ends up as a square. So I'm going to be walking us through how to understand, interpret, simplify, yeah, and even modify. So yes, all of that we're going to be learning, with this series, but I'm just going to call it simplifying patterns. All right, so this starts out with 1 2 3 4 5 chains. So we're going to chain 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Right after that, I'm going to slip stitch into chain number 1. That's it right there. And then you can see the chain up part. You chain up 3, and then into this circle that we've created here, I'm going to be putting in double crochet stitches. So yep, I'm going to be putting in 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 16 double crochet stitches. So yes, 16 double crochet stitches. This chain 3 counts as 1, so that's 2 3. Put in your 16, and then I'll meet you up here at the end. All right, so yeah, coming up on the last double crochet stitch, so that's number 16, and then a slip stitch right there into the top third chain. So that's it, first round done. The second round is a cluster of 3 double crochet stitches separated by 2 chains. So into every other stitch, we're going to be putting in the 3 double crochet stitches. Now double crochet stitch, as usual, we have to chain up how many? 3. So chain up 3. This represents 1. I'm going to be putting in the second one right here and the third one right here. That's 3 double crochet stitches are chain 2. So I move on to, I skip 2 of these. I put in the next 3 double crochet stitches in here. So 1 2 3, and I chain 2 again. Skip 2, put in 3 double crochet stitches in here. 1 2 3, and chain 2. So I'm gonna do the rest of it off camera, get to the last part, and then I'll meet you up. So yeah, we're coming up on the last set of 3 double crochet stitches. So as usual, I skip 2 from the previous row and put them in there. So 1 2 and 3. This is the last, right? Then I chain 2 to complete that row, and then I slip stitch into that third top stitch. So yep, round 3 essentially done. The next row is going to be worked into this chain 2 stitches. You see that going to be chain 2 spaces. That's where we're going to be working this into. Okay, all right, so into the chain 2 space is it's a double starts with a single crochet stitch, right? 5 double crochet stitches and ends with a single crochet stitch. So you're going to be having this chain 2 up, yeah, we're going to represent my first single crochet. So I'm going to be putting in 5 double crochet stitches in there. 1 2 3 4 and 5, and then I end that one with a single crochet. Yep, I'm moving to this next part. I start with a single crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, 5 double crochet, and then I single crochet. Yep, move to the next part. Single crochet first, 5 double crochet stitches, 1 2 3 4 5 and single crochet. So work the rest and then I'll meet you up when we get to this part. All right, so we're coming up on the last chain 2 space. So as usual, yeah, as done in the other ones, single crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, 5 double crochet, ends with a single crochet and then a slip stitch into that base, into the base right there. Okay, this is it. Let me pull this back. This is it. The next row consists of double crochet stitches and single crochet stitches, all separated by 5 chains. So this is what's going to happen. This place where we're coming from is going to be a single crochet stitch right there. Then double crochet stitches 2 will be here. Now on top of the double crochets, in between the two double crochet stitches that are here, we're going to be having 5 chains. So you have single crochet stitch, 5 chains, double crochet stitch, 5 chains, another double crochet stitch, 5 chains, single crochet stitch, 5 chains, double crochet stitch, 5 chains, like that. So here I'm going to chain up 2. Okay, so I'm chaining up 2 to represent that single crochet stitch, right? Then my 5 chains, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there. So in here now, double crochet stitch, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then double crochet stitch again, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then single crochet stitch here. Okay, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 2 double crochet stitches into this point separated by 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Another double crochet stitch in there. So continue, right, and then I'll meet you up here at the end of the row. Okay, so here's the last double crochet pair. Okay, so I'm going to be chaining 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm going to slip stitch into the second chain from this root. Okay, so right there, this row is complete. All right, so the next row is the last row. You can see it's already a square here. So the next row is the last row, and what I'm going to be doing there is just double crochet stitches. So into all of these corners I'm going to be having 6 double crochet stitches. So 3 double crochet stitches, 3 chains, another 3 double crochet stitches, right? I'll chain 1, right, and then put in 5 double crochet stitches into the space, chain 1 over this single crochet, 5 double crochet stitches into this, right, chain 1. Then when I enter here, we know the drill. Inside this corner we're going to be having 3 double crochet stitches, 3 chains, and another 3 double crochet stitches. So let's try that. So I'm going to have to find my way into a corner, or I can start right here, right? Yes, I can actually start right here. So I'm going to turn back around. Yes, that's what it looks like I'm going to do. I'm going to turn back around, but you can always slip stitch into the next space and continue. So but I'm going to turn around, and into the spot I'm going to be putting the 3 double crochet stitches, which is going to be represented by 3 chains. So 3 chains plus my extra 1. So into the space right here, this is the 5 chain space, and before the corner I'm going to be putting 5 double crochet stitches in there. So into every stitch is the double crochet stitch. 1, 2, 3, 5. That's the 5th one. So 5 double crochet stitches, right? Then I'm going to chain 1, and then I'm right in the corner now. So inside this corner I'm going to have 3 double crochet stitches. First I'll chain 3, 1 2 3, and then another 3 double crochet stitches in there to complete the corner. All right, so yeah, work that with me. Chain 1, 5 double crochet stitches here, chain 1, another 5 double crochet stitches here, chain 1, do your clusters, 3 double crochet stitches, 3 chains, and another 3 double crochet stitches. So let's see you do that, and then I'll meet you up here at the end of the row. Okay, so we're going to be working the last 2 clusters together. As you can see, our square is taking shape. I've just finished a 5 double crochet, series. So I'm going to chain 1 because the next part is that corner. So in here, I have double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, 3 chains, another 3 double crochet stitches, 1. So I have 1, I have 2, and I have 3, right? I chain 1, then the last set of 5 double crochet stitches in there. So double crochet into the first chain, double crochet into the second, double crochet into the third, double crochet into the fourth, and double crochet into the last. See, and then we chain 1 and slip stitch right there to complete the row. Square is done. Now, yep, this is a square. This is a square motif. So it started out circle and then ended up as a square. Now the beautiful thing, what can you use all of this for? If you're not using it as a coaster, see, I used 5mm hook, and then this measures about 5 inches wide, right? Yep, about 5 inches wide. So 5 inches wide, you can do a lot of things with this. You can make a lot more. We place them side by side. Yeah, we place them side by side. If this is 5 inches and the individual if you measure the individual's bust or waist or hip, and you have about let's say 45, it means that if you place 9 of these side by side, it goes around the individual's hip. If the individual's hip measures 35, it means if you place 7 of this, it goes around. Now if that is not the case and maybe you need to extend, you know what to do. So you can always turn this around, right, and then walk up a few more rows so that place can be, whatever space left can be covered up, or you cover it up. It could be single crochet stitches, it could be double crochet stitches, and then that pattern is ready. Or just put them together nicely, make this into what would I call it now, into a decor. Yeah, it could form a decor. So yeah, square motifs can be used for all kinds of things. So do let me know what you would use your own square motif for, and remember to subscribe to our channel. All right, bye for now.